Hi, I'm Krishna from Keep Learning with KMS. Welcome back to our new lesson. Today I'm gonna show you how to track the recruiting process in Excel for your business. And this is a great way to track recruiting, and it's allow you to track your candidate address, name, resume, and many more. If you add as much as you can. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And now I would like to start. And if you haven't watched my previous video on Excel, please go and watch my previous video. And I hope you guys know how to open Excel in your system. And the second thing is that I would like to recommend you to open your own Excel sheet in your own laptop so that you can simultaneously practice and you don't need extra time for practice. Now, start Excel sheet. Okay, just double click on your new Microsoft Excel sheet and now it is opening. Here you can see Excel sheet. And in my previous video, I have explained about these tabs and these groups, how to use these groups. I have mentioned over there, and if you haven't watched, go and watch. And this is a column. Suppose you have a requirement for any position and you have to maintain candidate list in Excel. So how Excel can help you to track your recruiting process. Now here you can write a candidate name. Okay, here candidate address you can write address. In the next column you can type address and you can type hire. Okay, with the help of hire, this column you can track whether the candidate is hired or not. For that we require two subheading. So what we can do, we have to merge these two column in a single cell. In my previous video, I told you that how to merge two cells into one single cell. So just move your cursor and select two. You can select more as much as you can. There is no issue with that. I'm selecting only two cells because I want two cells on. So go here, you can see on merge and center. Now just click and you can see merge cell. Now you can see you have merged two cells. Okay, to the now just right here. Alright. Okay. Now here, now we have to answer yes whether candidate is hired or not hired. Okay. Second thing, if you want to mention email address of candidate, you can mention email ID. Okay, and if you want to mention bill rate, I hope guys you know about bill rate if you are recruiter, and if you have little bit knowledge about recruitment, then I'm expecting that you have knowledge about what is bill rate. Okay, now in my previous video I told you how to increase width of column. Okay, just move your cursor. Okay, now you can increase column width as much as you can. Now so this also increase. The bill rate is fine. Now suppose you have requirement on some position and candidate name is John Ross and address is 45 Good Street. Okay, you can write. Now you can type here yes. Suppose it is selected. then here you want to mention email address of candidate, you can mention John as so candidate okay. Suppose you are paying 70 US dollar per hour, you can mention it. Okay. And most important thing is that during the recruitment, you require resume again and again. Suppose you don't have resume in your Excel, then how can you access resume of any candidate? It is a bit difficult for you to access from somewhere else. So I'm gonna tell you how to add resume of any candidate so that you can easily access resume of any candidate and you can see whenever you want to see all the detail of candidate. Now here I'm gonna type resume. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to add the resume. Just right click and scroll down. Here at the end you can see link. Okay. Now this is a new tab for you. Insert hyperlink. Now select, choose your resume, candidate resume. Here is John. Just click on it. Now you can see. Okay, link is visible. Now with the help of this link, whenever you want to access, you want to see candidate resume, you can just click and see. So it is quite easy and it is very effective for you. Over time, it will not take too much time and it will provide more time for other things. Okay, now you can continue adding something else. If you want to add more numbers, names and address, hired and email ID, billet, and you want to add resume within our Excel, you can add these things. Now, in my previous video, I told you how to move your tax in center. Now I'm moving this text in a center. Okay, because how to okay. This part is gonna play important role for you. Okay, with the help of these alignment tools, you can make your Excel sheet more beautiful. Okay, whenever you see your Excel, you feel very better because everything is arranged now. And I hope, guys, you are now you can understand about how to track resume, and even you can track a recruiting process of any candidate. So it is bit easy for you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. And still, if you have any queries related to Excel, you can mail me whenever you want. I gonna mention my email ID in the description where you can access my email ID and you can mail my email box whenever you want regarding Excel. Apart from this, if you have any other issues, then I gonna mention my WhatsApp number where you can contact me whenever you want. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Thank you.